Oh!
Lava. So it is so fun, isn't it, friends?
Isn't it good?
Yes, it is good.
Huh? Isn't it good?
It's good.
Very good.
I think it needs little water.
This is a lava mountain.
This is a fire mountain.
Is this a fire mountain or lava mountain?
Fire!
Fire or lava mountain?
Lava. Let me touch the lava.
Oh, it will be very hot.
It is cool.
Oh my gosh. Don't touch that. Your finger will burn.
It is not burning.
Oh, I thought it will burn.
Hi. Welcome to our video. Now, this is our second activity box. And now let's open it and see what's inside it. So my father will read the activities.
First one is little volcano. So now we will do our first activity, which is
Little volcano.
oh yes, but something is written here that the earth is the planet we live on, formed billions of years ago. Our planet has many surprises hidden deep and above. Get ready to explore and learn about our planet. Hey, so let's open and see.
Hello.
So we will create, so we will make a little volcano.
So let's open this polythene and see what's inside it. Okay. Now, here. What is this now, Papa? It is the same thing we used in the compost plant. Now the same thing. Not the same thing. Why is my hand fractured? My hand is not fractured.
So these all things we get, huh? Let's keep this aside.
And let's play with our pinky. First thing we get, and
This is a volcano. First thing is a volcano.
we get first thing is a volcano.
Then second thing we get is a syringe.
Third
then
thing,
spoon.
straw.
And
Straw. A straw, no?
stirrer. That is a stirrer. And coloring agent.
And these two.
And one is citric acid powder and baking powder.
So this is the instructions. Let's put it inside. Use all of this and make our own lava.
Now we will use baking powder. And we have to add this coloring agent.
I cannot balance.
1/4 of spoon. Yes. Put everything.
Now let's mix it. We are doing this one, right? Remove it. No injection.
Now use that syringe and fill it with water.
Here's one drop.
See the magic.
See the magic. It's like it's a fire. That is it.
Oh!
Lava. So it is so fun, isn't it, friends? Just
Our
love.
first lava. We have created our first own lava mountain.
So funny.
Isn't it good?
Yes, it is good.
Huh? Isn't it good?
It's good.
Very good.
I think it needs little water. Huh?
Yes, see, for some more time now it will work as lava. See, there are lots of bubbles.
Now let me take the drop.
You take some more water. Let's try to put some more water. Okay, little bit water, huh? Little.
But I cannot do it.
You can do it.
Okay.
from little height. Put some more water like this. Oh, more lava!
It's more water.
See, this is a lava mountain.
This is a fire mountain.
Is this a fire mountain or lava mountain?
Fire!
Fire or lava mountain?
Lava. Let me touch the lava.
Oh, it will be very hot.
It is cool.
Oh my gosh. Don't touch that. Your finger will burn.
It is not burning.
Oh, I thought it will burn.
You touch it.
Still it is burn. See, still something is happening inside the mountain.
I think it's going to blast. Guys, was it nice? I enjoyed it a lot. Did you enjoy it?
So now let's go and sleep.
Now let's go to sleep. Now we will meet at our next video. Subscribe our channel and press the ring button.
Press the bell button.